Hey children, have you ever noticed how curiosity never really ends? You learn one thing, and suddenly you've got 10 new questions. It's like feeding a fire that never gets full. No matter how much you throw in, it just burns hotter. So, why does curiosity, something that's supposed to make us smarter, leave us feeling empty sometimes? Let's talk about it. Number 1. Curiosity is a loop, not a goal. Curious people don't chase answers. They chase the feeling of almost knowing. It's not about getting there. It's about the chase. The moment they find an answer, their brain goes, "Cool, what's next?" That's dopamine talking, the reward chemical that fires not when you finish something, but when you pursue it. So, curiosity is a moving target. Every time you think you've arrived, your brain moves the goalpost. You can't win, because you were never supposed to. The satisfaction isn't in completion, it's in motion. But that motion also means you're never really done. Curiosity feels like hunger that knowledge can't fill. And maybe that's the point. Number 2, the smarter you get, the bigger the unknown becomes. Curious minds zoom out, way out. They start connecting dots, seeing systems, noticing how much there isn't known. Every new insight opens up a dozen new mysteries. It's like climbing a mountain, thinking you'll see the view, and then realizing there's a whole range beyond it. The more you know, the less you feel like you do. That realization can be exciting, but it's also exhausting. You're aware of the infinite, and that can make you feel small. Most people find peace in limits. Curious people can't. They're cursed with awareness that the world is too big to ever fully understand. Number 3, curiosity feeds on frustration. You ever notice how, when you can't figure something out, it haunts you? That's your brain in curiosity mode. It's wired to crave resolution, and the longer you don't get it, the harder it pushes. But here's the catch. Even when you finally figure it out, the reward is tiny compared to the chase. It's like scratching an itch that immediately comes back somewhere else. Curiosity thrives on the tension between knowing and not knowing. The frustration isn't the problem. It's the fuel. But that also means curious people live in a constant state of mild dissatisfaction. They're not broken, they're just wired to always ask why one more time. Number 4, curiosity doesn't care about rest. Curious people can't turn it off. Their mind's like a search engine that never stops loading results. They'll be trying to sleep, and suddenly their brain's like, wait, how do ants navigate underground? It's endless. That restless energy is powerful. It drives innovation, creativity, discovery, but it also burns people out, because curiosity doesn't respect balance. It doesn't stop when you're tired or busy. It just keeps whispering questions in your head until you answer. The irony? The smarter you get at chasing ideas, the worse you get at sitting still. Curiosity gives you focus, but it also steals your peace. Number 5, never being satisfied is actually the gift. Here's the twist. That emptiness curious people feel, it's not a flaw, it's evolution's trick to keep you exploring. The world moves forward because some people refuse to feel done. That constant hunger keeps curiosity alive. In science, art, philosophy, everything. The point was never to feel complete. It was to keep searching, asking, learning. Because curiosity doesn't want closure, it wants expansion. So, when you feel like you'll never know enough, that's not failure. That's your brain doing exactly what it's built for, stretching reality a little further. You don't need to be satisfied. You just need to keep asking.